Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the bottom to find accounts and backup. As you can see here we've got this Google Drive section, so let's tap on backup data and here tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Confirm everything with your screen lock. And if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can simply tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup, so photos and videos and other device data. It's obviously up to you, you can mark both. I will choose only this one and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and as you can see here we've got our backup storage, the storage section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. This option, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, and to finish everything simply tap on backup now. Now we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully enabled the Google backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.